Radharas Sudanidhi, which was written by Prabodhananda Saraswati Thakur. And I meant to read a little bit about the author, but I can read about the book maybe tomorrow. I forgot the other book I had. This book, Radharas Sudanidhi, has 272 verses in the book and describes all about the Radharas Sudanidhi. Nidhi means many things, Nidhi, but it means, in this case, it means ocean or treasure house. And Radharas Sudha means nectar, and Ras means mellow or sacred rapture. Radharas Sudanidhi, the ocean of nectarine mellows of Radharani. It's all about Radharani's beauty, her moods, her different aspects of her personality. So what we thought to do, we thought to present this class by citing different verses from Radharas Sudanidhi that describe Radharani's Rup, Gun and Lila. Her Nam, her Rup, her Gun and her Lila. Because first we approach the Lord and His devotees through Nam as our first introduction with the Lord, is the name of the Lord. And then with the name is chanted without offenses, then we can experience the Rup of the Lord, the form of the Lord in the holy name. And then the qualities, and ultimately the pastimes themselves. When we chant on the level of bhava, then the pastimes will come in the name. They themselves, we don't have to look at a book and memorize the pastimes and try to think about them when we're chanting the actual pastimes, because the name is not different. So when we chant the holy name, then we can be enter the pastimes. It's called Lila Pravesh. So I've written a brief introduction to this book. The Radharas Sudanidhi is the longest and most popular prayer to Srimati Radharani. It's recited by all different classes of Vaishnavas in Vaishnava Sampradaya, especially the Nimbarkis Sampradaya. They worship Radha and Krishna. They also recite, and the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, of course. Especially in Vrindavan. All the different Vaishnava Sampradayas in Vrindavan, they recite this prayer. The entire text of 272 verses is inscribed in marble slabs on the walls of Sevakunj in Vrindavan. You go in Sevakunj, it's kind of a small area now, but if you walk around the parikrama there, on the wall there's one area where there's lots of places, but one area there's all these marble squares, and the shlokas are there written in Radharas Sudanidhi.